In this video, we'll be covering how to set up company-wide email templates. Creating email templates available to all of your company's users when sending emails through work is a great way to ensure professionalism and consistency in communications. And the effective use of customer, job, company, and user-specific merge fields in those templates can significantly streamline your user's communication process and increase its effectiveness. To get started, click on the admin icon on the left, then click the Email Templates tab. Before creating a new email template, you'll need to first ensure that you have at least one template folder. To add a new template folder, click the Manage Folders button in the top right, provide a folder name and click Add Folder. You can add as many folders as you need. Once you have at least one template folder added, click the Manage Templates button in the top right. To create a new template, choose your desired folder from the folder dropdown. Add a title for the template, a subject line, and use the HTML editor to provide the body copy, what you want the template to say. You can insert any of the merge fields found below the editor into your template to dynamically display the selected data in your emails by simply clicking on the desired field, then pasting it where you'd like that information to display in the email. Please note that you cannot use the company logo merge field within the subject line. Once done, click on the Add Template button to save your new template. You can preview, clone, edit, or delete this and any of your templates by clicking the eye, copy, pencil, or garbage can icons respectively in your list of templates. When choosing to preview a template, in the preview window that loads, you'll have the opportunity to select a specific customer and job in order to confirm the inclusion and appearance of any related merge fields. And that's all the information you'll need to know to set up company-wide email templates. If you need assistance, our awesome support team is always glad to help. We can be reached at 800-558-3054 or by emailing VCGSupport@vcgcorporate.com.